Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, this is sliding top stylings, the beer case. And let's take a look at the overall sizes first. Entire length about like a 36 inches long. And the overall height 34 inches tall. Front to the back, about like a 28.5 inches deep. As you can see the units, we have a bottle openers right here. This is a convenience collections right here. And looking down the units, we have the controllers on the side and also have the switchers, power switcher right there. And let's take a look at the inner side for the units. For the inner side, let's take a look at the dimensions first. It's about like a 31 inches long. And the unit is about like a 21 inches wide. And the overall height is about like a 25.5 inches. They also have a stage at the bottom, the compressor mounted inside. The stage about like 8 inches tall. So basically the units, they're having lockers on top of it. And we also can see there's the stickers inside of the units, have all the cost sheets, and also have the ETL sanitation stickers and the serial numbers for the faster service. This is all information about our products for the units. If you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you for watching this video.